guys, welcome to our video and I hope so dark. So guys, what's up again? I hope we're all having an amazing day because I'm having an amazing day. So if I'm having an amazing day, you all should be having an amazing happy day. So someone just commented that I will do a burping challenge. So I'm gonna do it right now. Yeah guys, for you. So I have 2 glasses of water right there, and I'm gonna try to burp so bad. Yeah. But first, guys, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification below, and third, comment down below. I'll subscribe and 6, 3, 2, back. Where's the burp? Second burp. Third burp. Guys, it's so hard. Four, 5, fifth burp. Like that. Guys, my stomach is full now. Good. Comment down below if I shall do this again. So guys, if you're wondering, I'll comment it. It's gonna be a link in the description below. And I'm gonna set you, it's Alex TV. It's ALIX TV. It doesn't have any videos. And 3, 2, 1, go. That's so bad. Guys, I finished it off. That's too much burp. So guys, thank you for all my supporters, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, peace out.